When you call it film.
Is that no?
Oh, technically this is a GoPro, so we're just taking a video. You're no longer film. But this is what is this called on the map? The eagle, Philippine eagle. Oh, we'll see. Here, there's sea eagle. You mentioned the sea eagle. This is the same one a while ago. Sea eagle, white-bellied.
I could smell it was a sea eagle.
Oh, because it smells like the sea?
Pungent.
Oh, there's poopoo. Oh my gosh, there's one right there. And look at all the poopoo.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
It just waits all day for some guests.
Oh, it waits for people like me to walk all the way in there. And then this smart fella will just drop its tongue on your on your forehead.
Hey, Sebastian.
What's his name?
Sebastian, I believe.
Oh, Sebastian. Labi, are you really gonna go in there? It might take a crap.
Makadaan lang po.
Yeah, that's a lot of dung. Hey, yeah. Love, you're gonna go? Okay, well, oops. Okay, fine, let's go walk in. Okay, guy. Bye, yeah. No, I was just thinking about all the popo that might potentially... But there are no birds right now above us. So we're okay. Oh, okay, we just crossed, basically. Oh, no, I thought we had to walk back.
Oh, can you see it from the other side?
No, I can't see from the other side.
They sound a bit like seagulls.
Well, there's no point in going here. Yeah, it's so weird. This is like one of the important...
Pila.
This is one of the... For me, I think it's the Philippine eagle. And it's right above there. Look at that, so pretty, it's so big. Yeah, no, it's so beautiful. Jeez, they're endangered, right? As of 2023.
Oh no, they're absolutely endangered.
Oh my gosh, we have to like... Because I think the way they multiply is just so difficult. I don't know how many months or years. I don't know anything. I don't know much about the Philippine eagle, but they're so beautiful. Look at that. Hey guys. Hello little... No, not even little.
Oh, Haring Ibon.
Haring Ibon.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, like the king of birds. You're testing me on that one.
I thought I had that one.
But it's kind of looking at us right now. Jeez, I really wish they could breed them here just because they're endangered and obviously you want them to multiply in numbers. And the name isn't as yeah, and gosh, this is something to be proud of. There's actually a Philippine eagle. I don't even know how many there are left. Oh, hi fella. Is it hard for them to breed or to multiply?
Sure
Months? Years?
Yeah, the bigger, more cool the animal.
Oh my gosh. And it just seems like it's just one.
I think a lot of them don't they have two chicks and it's one like egg competes the other.
Oh my gosh.
Is that calamansi?
Yeah, I think it's calamansi. Ano sabi mo?
Ang ganda dito pero mag-ingat para mag-ingat?
Yeah, that's correct. Mag-ingat.
Mag-ingat sa mga buwaya dito.
Okay, I don't see any buwaya. Crocodile.
You never see the buwaya.
No, there's gonna be a sign, but I can imagine if people really enjoyed it here.
Yeah.
Maybe if they brought booze. What?
No, but actually look at that. Yeah.
I know, but look at that view too. If they, I know, I'm sure alcohol is not allowed here, but if people were keen to bring it, I can imagine somebody actually falling down here. But it's such a wholesome place. You see a lot of kids and families. Oh, ano sabi mo?
Picture muna.
Okay, let's have a picture here.
No, it's not. You're taking a picture with
Okay, I'll turn it off.
I think you can do that.
So, a lot of people are doing random bits here. We saw students, families, and now I think these guys are choreographers or yeah, they do some sort of mixed martial arts. But check this out. Look at the cat. There's a cat there. And it says cat on the backpack. Hi! Okay, I'm not gonna get too close because I'm still undergoing my rabies shots. I'm pretty sure the cat has no anti-rabies. But it's just kind of funny. I don't think it's by design. It's just...
yeah, so it's like three guys and it's a scene.
Yeah, it's a scene.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, palm.
Nice.
Yeah, my guess is that they probably work for a TV show or TV network, and then they're in charge of directing the action scene.
Who's boss? Anong kwento dito?
Sino yung bida? Sino ang bida?
Jan. I know which team I fancy my chances with more.
Which one, them?
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're quite serious. Well, older, I think. I'd say. Older killers.
Oop, boom, ooh. Love it, love it. Okay, it seems very realistic. Nothing I know of. I think when I watch action scenes, I just kind of blank out and I space out because there's so much action going on. I just like space out. Except for this is
Sparta?
kick it.
What?
Yeah, because remember, like this is Sparta, and then who does Jared Butler kick?
That's
He
the
kicks.
diplomat, the envoy.
Yeah,
of-
like the guy
of
who's
the-
like
of the
kalbo,
Persians.
who's bald, yeah, and he's got like nose rings and stuff. And then he was defending his wife because something. Sparta! Wah!
Okay, well,
Oh, look at my
speaking
Crocs.
to that camera more than the
Actually.
army.
Sorry. Tea house. There's a lot of places here that aren't open anymore. Tea house, but yeah, the design kind of reminds me of something that looks very Japanesey.
I know, it's spot to practice,
Yeah, actually this whole park is a nice place to practice. There's so much open space. Also nice if I don't know if you can really rollerblade here. I guess you could.
It's not comfortable on this, but yeah, of course.
Yeah.
The road's going all the way around.
But
I'd say
even
it's the perfect size to blade in.
even skateboarding.
Yeah. Do you have any rollerblades or skateboards?
I do. I used to. I don't
Do
know
you
where they
have them now?
went. No.
Probably.
But let me look. What kind of fish is that? Like it's not gonna be a pike, which is one of my
It
favorite
looks like
British
the one
fishes.
like the swordfish.
It's got a really big belly.
I don't think it's drawn very well.
Yeah.
It's meant to be a swordfish, but it looks like a swordfish with the spikes on either side.
I know, it looks like a fusion of maybe 3 different kinds of fishes. So if anyone knows what this fish is, so that's what we'll find in the pond, Lapidu. It's not buwaya. Hello?
They just put a type of fish just to.
That's a shame though, because it would be interesting to put an actual real fish. I mean, that exists in the water there. My little guess. Oh, it looks nah.
No, it's not. We'll see. They're just drawing it badly.
Wait, let me look. I think you're meant to have like fishing rods here back in the day. Yeah, fishing village.
I think they
And
were doing it for the Japanese. I think.
yeah. I feel like I've dreamt about this place. It's so pretty. No, something similar to this.
It's really a shame they haven't been here. 'Cause
No.
they need ducks. That's what they need.
Mm.
I think they're more critical.
Will the ducks eat the fish or the fish eat the ducks?
The ducks just eat the weeds.
Okay.
They might fly away.
There's a lot of like different, I don't know what the place is meant to be. A lot of the places here are closed. But yeah, like a little pavilion there. And I don't know if it's a fishing village, there's meant to be fish in these waters.
No, I don't think that's. I think it's meant to copy a Japanese one.
No, back in the day, mahal ko. When I was younger, they put like fishing places and you're meant to go fishing
They still
with
do
an
that
actual
in the
rod.
wild.
No, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
But just like the tea house, there's no more tea and there are no more fishing
Ask
rods.
the guards. They might know. That's the oldest guard you can find.
The oldest guard, they all look pretty young.
Yeah. They do.
Here.
40s anyway.
Yeah.
So that's old enough to know.
A very chilled out work for a guard, I guess. Because I guess you can be a guard at the mall, a guard in a restaurant, but the guards here have all of this nature. Which is nice, and bamboo.
May mga isda ba sa forgetting what lake it is.
I don't know what
Lawa.
lake. Love. I bet you a lot of my friends don't even understand what they're saying. It's so deep.
Well, no, Martin. Lake's
No,
not
because he
deep.
said something.
Lake
Both of
isn't
us were like,
deep.
what?
Lake isn't deep. Well, unless the lake is deep.
Yeah, it is. No, wait, for the word, yeah. Look how green it is though. Jeez, it almost looks like they put green coloring.
That's not healthy, I don't think.
Yeah, is it all
'Cause,
algae? Would it be
no,
algae?
in Kinghorn, they get rid of all the algae.
Okay, so but this is all pure algae then.
Well, it's pretty algae.
Jeez, so nothing can survive there, no?
Well, it takes all the oxygen out.
Ah, yeah?
So, yeah, it's photosynthesizing. It's growing. It needs oxygen, so it like kills off the fish potentially.
Okay, look. I just realized how green it is. Just so green.
Cat me.